Hey, what's up, YouTube? I am DJ Kello the Energy. I'm a DJ from Trinidad and Tobago, and today I'm going to answer the question of how to watch a live stream on Twitch. So, as you know, Twitch is a brand new streaming platform more geared towards gamers. But right now, DJs are taking advantage of this platform because of the amazing audio and visuals for your live stream. By now, everyone pretty much knows how to create a live stream, but now you need your fans to watch your live stream, and that is where the problem lies. This video is dedicated to your possible new viewers so they can view your live stream. So let's get into it. Alright, so we start by going to twitch.tv. As you see, twitch.tv right up there, right? And you will come to the home page right here. From the home page, you have all your followed channels. If you didn't follow anyone, you can start following. You can explore anything like that. You could go on to browse, and you will see all the channels that are streaming right now. Many of these channels are available here, and a lot of people are playing all of these games. So you can search through and find new streamers anytime, or you could go to the live channels right here, and you can see what's playing right now, and you can feel free to click on any of them. When you go into browse, you can check through any of the categories and check them out at any point in time, or you can go to live channels over here and you can see all that's being played live right now, and you could click on any one of them and you could follow whichever one you like this one here that is live right now. This is Lord Finesse, right? He is live right now, and this is basically what you're gonna see when you go to any streamer who is live. This is what you're gonna see. All right, so he is live right now, and when you try to get into my page, you can, and you will see me live when I am. All right, so let's just pause this. If you realize as well, when I go back into the browse, it will be playing in the background. See, there we go. So you can continue with your day and you won't miss a beat. So that's how we watch a live stream. Now, to find a particular channel, you can go into the search bar here and type in, without any spaces, DJ Kello the Energy, and search. And here I am, right here, DJ Kello the Energy. You click on that, and here I am. This is my channel, DJ Kello the Energy, or /DJ Kello the Energy. Anything you want, you could check. You could type it straight in like this, or click on it, and this will be what you will see. My past episodes, all right, and that's what's up right there. This is stream from 2 days ago. That's myself, DJ Kello the Energy, and the beautiful Carrie Mack for Time Travel Thursdays. All right, so guys, it's that simple. And anytime I'm live, you could go on and just click on it, check it. It plays in the background, so you won't miss a beat and you get all your work done. All right, so that's it. That's how to watch a live stream on Twitch. So don't forget to subscribe to DJ Kello the Energy on Twitch. Also, DJ Kello the Energy on YouTube. All right, subscribe to the page. Thank you, guys. See you for the next one.